A dust mite. When you see what these things look like, you will be horrified. In your bedroom, you need to be aware of the dust to have beautiful quality sleep. Your room needs like a makeover once a month where you move all the furniture and you vacuum in all the corners and wash the floors if you've got bare floors. You don't have to do it every week, but you be mindful of the dust every week, but you do a really good lift up and move things, especially behind your bed. If you can move it more frequently than that, then you go for it and do it, because let me show you something. Dust is not your friend. It will change your night's sleep like you wouldn't believe. Let me show you. There is a huge big layer of dust behind there on this cloth. I'm also going to change the cloth around, and then I'm just going to do the windowsills. Anywhere where your bedding is sleeping at night, get rid of that dust, because that's quality. And when you open the curtains, I mean, look at that, and that's just a week. You know, I'm very mindful of the room and things like that. I'm very, very clean, but the dust is falling, and it does make our evenings more annoying. If you're sleeping in a room that's dusty, you just won't get any sleep. And it's about quality sleep, and it's making a difference. So these tiny little things, they do matter. Let me just do underneath the bed. Now I get the floors washed behind the bed every single week. But look at the amount of dust that I'm still breathing. So that's just a floor that's actually got floorboards, and you really notice it. If you really want to get rid of that dust, pull the bed behind and get the vacuum and go right in the corners with all the head of the vacuum to get all these dust particles away, because we're talking about having a beautiful night's sleep without any interruptions. So once you've got that done, the last thing not to forget is to move the bed right away. Move it out and do well under the bed so that there's not that big thick layer of dust. So never forget to do under the bed. No clutter under the bed either, just keep it absolutely free. Another way to get the dust mites off all your bedding, take all the pillow slips off, all the linen off, and put it all outside in the sunshine. Let all the sun just kill all the mites, and then flip the linen over and flip the pillows over, and you go to bed that night and it's like you've died and gone to heaven. It's the best feeling in the world. Fresh sheets, beautiful dust-free room, and you're going to have the best night's sleep. People are so keen on just getting a sleeping pill. These simple tricks here will just, I hope, change your life and give you the beautiful quality sleep that you deserve.